So I popped my OBD2 out and it hasn't been giving me any power. Always fun. Well, I thought I'd go under the hood and take a look, and so after taking a look, I noticed M10, which is fuse 15 right here, is dead on the JK, so I'm going to go and quickly replace that fuse and see if that fixes my problem and allows me to scan my Jeep. So I pulled the fuse out from right here, and this is the one I'm hoping it is right here, and by pulling it out, it's a 15 amp, doesn't focus. See those two little electrodes right beside the 15? There's one right there, one right there. Now if you were to take, let's say this, and touch one side right there and one side right there, for me it would beep because I have it on this mode right here on my meter, and it also has the beep sound. As you can see, what happens is I put one electrode on one side, one on the other side, or my probes, and what it'll do is it'll beep. If it doesn't beep, that tells you that you need to pull it out, and chances are you have a melted fuse like that. See how it's silver and then there's a gap in between the two silver? That's how you know. All you gotta do now, after changing that fuse, is plug something in and it boots. Sweet. So all it was the M10 fuse on the Jeep JK.